Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Today's videos we are going to do my first Louis Vuitton unboxing in 2021. Yay! Let's get this started and let me show you what I received this amazing gift. Alright, so this is supposed to be my Christmas gift from my partner, and apparently it's really hard to find, and it just arrived today, and today is January the 4th. You see that? So this technically become my first unboxing for 2021. What a great way to start my new year. I love it. And I honestly don't know what is in there because he says it's gonna be a surprise, so I have no idea. So let's open this baby out right now. And I know that he did order this from my CA in San Francisco, Bloomingdale, so thank you so much for helping him to pick my gift. Although I was expecting the gift box would be bigger, but at least it's not smaller, so this is a pretty decent bag. I wonder what is this? Oh, the whole time I hold the box upside down. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I love Louis Vuitton. Okay, let's open this up now. Ta-la. And by the way, since it's a gift, so I don't have the receipt, so you just have to trust me, this is a real, okay? Alright. Oh, by the way, if you, like me, have a lot of different empty boxes sitting in the house, check out my latest, one of my recent video of a Louis Vuitton wall DIY. I'll put a link below, you can check it out. What I have done to make this empty box become artwork. I thought it was very smart. Oh, I see the name, so I know what is this now. Oh. Okay, oh my god, I really love this. This is a Louis Vuitton bum bag. The reason why I really like this is, let me tell you, did you ever happen to you that, you know, there's certain thing that you just know you are not gonna buy it, but you really want it? It's hard for me to explain to you because anytime I buy Louis Vuitton, I always want the latest, the newest, the limited edition. To the point, more classy bag or something more functional, I wouldn't really spend money on that. And this, it's not classic, but it's more like a very functional bag. I wouldn't buy it for myself because I'd rather use my money buy more limited edition. But I really want this, so I'm so excited to get this. Oh my god. So this is Louis Vuitton monogram bomb bag, and it's not the latest design. I think they have this for a year or two already. So if you saw my picture lately, I've been carrying Jeffree Star bomb bag for a while now. I really like it as a crossbody. It's so easy to use. And I was telling my partner, oh, maybe I should buy the Louis Vuitton one. But I just can't really go buy it because to me, this is not a hot item right now. It's still hard to find, but it's not what I normally buy. You know what I mean? So, oh my god, I don't need to wear this anymore. I can wear the Louis Vuitton one. Okay, so let's look at this closely with you guys. Everything is brand new. You see the little potato right here? Just remove this. Wow. You know what? This is actually the first time I have a Louis Vuitton bag with like completely brand new. That not even out of the box. Look at the gold, the handle right here with the Louis Vuitton logo. There's two in here, and there's one down here. What's this? Oh, this is a little keychain. So you can do a lot of accessorize this. Maybe I'll show you some of my accessory to make this even cuter. Okay, so let's do this first, okay? So let's open the front zipper now. So there's a one big pocket right here, and this bag is made in Spain. Inside it's just a fiber material in here. Not leather, just a fiber material in black, which is fine. There's no zipper in here. However, there is a zipper in the back of the bag. So there's a zipper right here. Let me remove this one here. Oh, I love doing this. This is so cool. This time I'll just open this up. What's this? This is the bad information. Oh, this is the price. I know how much this costs now. Okay, so inside it's the same material as the front pouch. I like the back pockets because I can put money, put any things in the back. It's really easy to get it out. I really do like it. What is cool about this than the Jeffree Star one is this has a handle, so I can actually hold it like this one, which I really like this. And now let me put this together and show you how it's gonna look on me. Okay, so you guys can see it now. I put it back on here. This is really cute. What I like about this is that you see how easy you just open and get your stuff out. And then sometimes if I need to get stuff in the back, just back zipper, I can get it. This one actually has a little bit more adjustable right here. So let me see, how do I adjust this? I need a little bit more longer. Oh my god, I'm really loving this. Okay, there we go. Ah, there we go. I think that's better. That looks good, right? Okay, so I want to show you how I normally wear the Jeffree Star one. And this is the reason why I think my partner saw me wear this a lot. And he did ask me one time, say, why are you wearing Jeffree Star bag? I mean, nothing wrong with this. I really like it. I say, well, because it's really easy to use and I just like it, you know. I don't, it's hands-free. Let me show you here. So this is the Jeffree Star one. So see, I like that a lot. And sometimes put it back here, right? See, it's easy to open it up, get stuff out. So now let me show you Louis Vuitton one. Same thing. I think I do need to make an adjustment a little bit longer. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. What do you think? Oh, I'm so happy that he got me this. I really enjoying this. I can't wait to put my stuff in there to make it really cute. Hey, you know, you guys know that last year I bought quite a few mini bag, nano bag. If you want to see how I dress them up, how I decorate them, or what's in the bag, let me know. I can make that video for you guys too. Oh my goodness. I mean, I keep on saying this, but I really like it though. It's so cute. I think I like the handle part here is really good. Jeffree Star one doesn't have the handle up here, but of course the price is like a very different. And you know what, guys, I really think, you know, this is really good lesson that I learned from this whole experience. I kind of know I want this bag, but I'm not sure I would spend that kind of money. And what if I don't like it, right? Because it's not your standard handbag. So I would recommend the next time, if there's a bag that you really like, a special design that you want, but you're not sure, maybe buy something it's less expensive, or there's no brand, you know, you can buy from Target, like Inspire, right? And you try it and see if you like it. If you like the way it fits on you, then most likely your luxury designer bag that you will also like it too, because it's pretty much the same design. The only difference is there's a handle on the top. Obviously this is Louis Vuitton, this is Jeffree Star, so there's a little bit different. So, you know, that's why you know you'll like it. Wow, let's see what else I want to talk about this. Nothing, just a classic monogram, beautiful bag, very lightweight. Oh my god, I can put a toilet on here to make it. I have so many stuff right now, so okay, stay focused, Steve. Alright. So I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. My first unboxing for 2021. I can't wait to see this year. There's so much new things happening in my life. If you don't know this by now, I launched my skincare company called Yibu Beauty. I will put the link below. You can take a look and join the Yibu community on Instagram. There's so much things that I want to share with you, and I hope that you're all gonna enjoy and be part of my journey of Yibu Beauty too. Alright, I'll talk to you guys soon and see you guys very soon. Bye!